Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your purchase could not be completed in iPhone after update iOS 17. After update iOS 17 and face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back here home screen, then open your iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Apple ID banner name. Scroll down. What you need to do is sign out your Apple ID at least the 13 second after you have turned it on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, scroll down and tap on screen time. From here you scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction, then tap on iTunes and App Store purchase, then tap on this. From here you as can see app purchase option, then tap on this. From here what you need to do is select allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method doesn't work, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your again iPhone setting, then tap on Apple ID banner name, then tap on media and purchase. From here tap on view account. From here then tap on manage payment. From here you as can see payment method option. What you need to do is update your payment method, then tap on done, and after update your payment method. I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.